Hi, Tim with Kaizink here with a quick improvement video and best practice in Trainual. So I'm going to be adding a link to a video I just made that's showing you how to add an email address for a new team member. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to YouTube. I've already uploaded the video. Here is the link. I'm going to copy that link. Also note that the time of the video is 1 minute 48 seconds. So in Trainual, I'm going to go ahead and highlight the area where I want to insert the link. Go to this right here, paste, and insert. Now this is a hot link to my video. The other best practice is we're going to record so you can look and see how much time is it going to take me to watch this video before you actually click on the link. It helps to plan out and decide what you have time for given your onboarding and training. Thank you.